Hi everybody, today I'm going to do a review for the DMT sharpening steel, and this one is the 1200 grit sharpening steel, and this one is the 12-incher. Now I wanted to show you how it came in the package. Very nice, made in the US. Nice thin handle that you can use it to hang it up. So let me take it out of this container. It comes in a package with one of these, and actually I'm actually going to leave it because it's going to give me good. Alright, so let me show you the actual steel, and you can tell that it has little teeny bits of diamonds embedded in the steel. The handle is very nice, very comfortable handle. It is very nice because you do want something to protect your hand, or at least also make it so it doesn't go down. So let me demonstrate how we use this. And there you go. Very easy, very comfortable, and it feels very right. If there's such a feeling, it just feels very comfortable. So if you have any questions, if you want me to show any other parts, I believe I showed everything. Let me show you the bottom. It says stroke gently and hand wash only. So stroke gently, yeah. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please thumb up, subscribe, put in your comments. I would love to hear back. So till next time, bye.